In this video, we'll explore how to leverage Mirae Asset Sharekhan Research using the Mirae Asset Sharekhan app. To access research, simply navigate to the research section from the hamburger menu or from the bottom bar. Here you can track 20 short-term and long-term calls generated by your research team. Within equity research, use short-term calls segmented by equity, commodity, and currency. Whether you're focused on short-term or long-term calls, filter stocks by open, close status and time frame. Sort stocks effortlessly by script name, potential return, and last updated date and time. Our research team provides in-depth analysis, guiding your investment decisions. Long-term calls come with a downloadable PDF containing comprehensive research reports. Once you download the PDF, you can explore 3-year metrics, price performance, company details, key risk, and summary valuations. Immerse yourself in these research reports to trade with confidence. With Mirae Asset Sharekhan Research and its intuitive app features, trade smarter today.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.